Hi, so what's this company called? Hop on.
We represent Big Bus.
Big
We're
Bus.
here in front of the Willard, the oldest hotel in Washington, D.C.
Is this stop one? Like, this is where it starts, yeah?
This is the 12th stop. We at 12th stop, yes.
Yeah, and this, we're Washington, D.C., outside the hotel.
Yes.
How many stops have we got on this
So
tour?
we have 15 stops to take you all around D.C.
Yep.
All the monuments.
Brilliant.
Arlington Cemetery.
And this ticket's valid for?
Yes, the ticket is valid for 24 hours.
Brilliant.
So if you don't finish your tour today, all of your tour today, you can finish tomorrow as well.
Excellent, thank you. And we've just bought a ticket.
Yes.
Our bus turns up in 20 minutes. Thank you very much. Thank you.
No problem, sir. See you later. Bye-bye.
Ta-da, bye-bye. So it's Saturday morning, our last full day today. Tomorrow we've got to get up and pack. Tomorrow's Sunday, we've got to get up and pack our stuff and jump on the plane. That should be a bit of a journey. So we're pretty good news though this morning. The sun's shining at the moment, so which is really, really good. And we're just taking a short walk around from the Hilton Hotel to outside the Willard Hotel, where we're catching the hop on, hop off bus. We're going to actually have a look at something for a change instead of just wandering around the bus. We extended the ticket. It was a 24-hour ticket, but we extended it for to the rest of the day for another $10, which wasn't too bad. And we're going to take some decent photographs and some video footage, I think. Have a look at behind you. Look at that. As I said earlier, the sun is, well, it's a bit cloudy now, but it's cold. It's in March. But I mean, I've only ever visited on this trip New York, Philadelphia and Washington, so they're all different, but Washington's so spaced out and wide. The lanes are really, really 4, 5, 6, 7 lanes wide in the roads. It's unbelievable. Built in honour of George Washington. I'm sure the tour guide said there's no mall to use, it's freestanding, but I'll have to double check and have a look into that. We'll head up towards it now, and those flags make a bit of a noise for the wind. Stonework's gorgeous. The size of those stones. Well, it looks like we can't get in today. All the tickets have been given out. A lot of these places you have to pre-book. Even if the tickets are free, you have to pre-book your slot. You get a ticket. The same as the museum we went to yesterday, the Air and Space Museum. It is bloody windy. If you watch my Cornwall video on the beach, it reminds me of that. It's fucking. I've been a bit of a. I've been sort of in a. I've shielded you a bit. I'm not going to go around the corner with the camera. You won't be able to hear what I'm saying. It's, here we go. I'll take off in a minute. Lovely place to visit. Don't forget pre-book. Like us. Yeah, we didn't pre-book, didn't get a ticket. We just jumped off the bus on the off chance. But It's got a line there. Most of these museums and places you visit around here, well, especially Washington, either if they're free or you buy a ticket or they're free, either way you have to pre-book a slot. And they've got a sign back there saying start queuing here at 12:30. Start queuing up in this room and this bit at 12:30. I'm just having a little look around somewhere else. It's bloody cold. Right, in front of us there is the Lincoln Memorial we're heading to. I can't really talk properly, so it's really cold. And now we're going to go and have a look at that, take a few video clips and photographs of that. Oh, that's better, it's further off the hill, it's not so windy.